is up, YouTube? It's your girl Janae, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm coming to you guys with an install video. This is WIGGINS Hair. It is a 40-inch wig. It's not as long as I expected it to be. I've had 40 before, and this seems a little bit shorter, but then again, this is curly. So let me show y'all where it stops. Stops about, it's definitely past my butt. And then this is the front. I think it's pretty long. Texture, loose, deep wave. And I just wanted to do a look that was kind of just a natural look. I didn't want a part. I just did like a flip over. If y'all are, you know, frequent on social media, y'all know that Arrogant Tay does this style on Jada Waiter a lot. And so I just kind of mimicked that just a little bit. Like, she has the swoop right here and the little, you know what I'm saying? I tried to do a little something, but I definitely think it came out really cute. I think it's super cute and effortless. Looks like I just, you know, did what I did. I didn't record a lot because I'm trying to get used to my new setup, and it's kind of awkward how the light is positioned. I need to figure out a new way to position it without it being too bright in my eyes, because I literally cannot see what I'm doing. I could not see what I was doing the whole entire video, so I definitely apologize for that. But besides that, I think this install came out really good. This is more about the hair. If I didn't already say, this is loose deep wave texture, and it is so pretty. If y'all don't know, this is my favorite curly wavy texture. I just think it looks so pretty, just effortless and cute. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for the intro. I'm gonna stop rambling. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on that bell post notifications. And if you're returning, welcome back. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so this is just me admiring the length and the softness of the wig, but I'm just trying to wig on my head for the first time. For my wigs, I like to use a foundation that is my shade or one shade lighter. And what I do with it is I pour the foundation into a paper towel, make sure it's thick enough, and I fold it and I flatten it out so you're not applying wet foundation to your head. And this basically just makes it not as watery and as liquidy as it usually would be, and it just makes better, and it's not as much of a mess. Because once you apply that glue and it gets mixed up with that makeup, it's not cute, and it's, you know, it's not good. So I like to apply my makeup before I cut off my cap, because I feel as though if you do it afterwards, that it's going to not mix well with the glue. And over time I realized that it works better. And you're gonna apply that same exact foundation, same exact method onto the inside of your wig, so the lace can be matching exactly the same. And that's what I'm doing here, and I'm trying it on my head, and as you see, it's flawless, and it definitely matches each other like it should. So you know what I'm saying, it just looks flawless. And now I'm about to cut my lace cap off. Well, wig cap, y'all. If I'm stuttering, this is my second time doing this because the first one got deleted, so my bad. The first voiceover got deleted, but I'm just cutting my cap off. Cutting the cap off is all about preference. Honestly, it depends on how low you want your wig, how high you want your wig. I do a healthy medium between not exactly on my hairline, but not exactly on my forehead, because I hate wigs that are too low down. I just feel like that's not cute, and that's very unnatural looking. And plus, I don't like my forehead covered at all. But like I said, it's to each his own. It's definitely a preference thing. So you just see me cutting a good bit of the cap off, because I like my wigs kind of to sit at a good decent spot, kind of like a little bit below my hairline. And here, y'all always ask me how I attach the wigs in the back. There's combs in the back of the wig, and I need to get better at tutorials because y'all can't see nothing I'm doing. And they also have elastic bands. Remind me for another video that I'm going to show y'all more in depth of that. But yeah, as far as the bag, you don't glue it down, you don't tie it down or nothing. You literally just insert the combs, and the glue in the front is what keeps your wig from not coming up. And I promise you, your wig is not going to come up as long as it's glued down. So now you're going to go in with alcohol. This is the crucial step, and this is going to make the glue adhere to your skin. Make sure there's no makeup or nothing, or oils. And here I'm just cutting off the ear tab so it fits my head, and as you see, it fits really good. So what I'm doing here is just matching the wig up with the lace, I keep saying lace cap, with the ball cap. And I'm just looking to see, like, do I need to cut any more ball cap? Do I need to, you know what I'm saying, bring it down, bring it up? All those different things. So as y'all see, I have a little bit too much ball cap, so I'm gonna cut those edges off. Well, not edges, but I'm gonna cut that extra cap off. And that is, you really just want to eyeball it, and you're gonna keep bringing the lace down to see exactly where. And so I'm cutting my lace into 4 sections like I always do, and I'm just matching it up and seeing if I need to cut any more. And I'm still rolling it up, cutting some, just because you can see it outside of the wig and you don't want to be able to see that cap at all. So I'm just rolling more cap up, just trying to make it so it can be flawless. Okay, so I'm pulling my wig forward, and as you see, it's pretty much flawless. That glue is going to disguise that cap. It's going to bring it down. So yes, and I'm cutting more and more cap, just trying to make sure that you can't see none of it, and it is all laid, because we want our wig laid and slayed. Now for the glue. This is the only glue that I use, Ghost Bond XL, every single time. I don't use anything else. I don't use Bold Hold. I don't use the regular Ghost Bond. I don't use anything else but Ghost Bond XL, and it works for me, keeps my wigs laid. So my method for my ball cap and gluing my wig down, as usual, is you put 1 dot of glue on the cap, and you put 1 dot of glue on your skin. And y'all, that just makes the band so thick, and just, it makes your wig lay down and don't go nowhere. And make sure you're also going in and putting glue on those sides, because that's where a wig tends to rise the most. So you want to make sure you're going all the way in there with that glue. And a lot of people fail at wigs because they put 1 tiny line of glue, and I am victim of this, especially when I first started wearing wigs. But the method and the key to getting that wig to stay down and lay and just, you know, be, you know, bomb, is making sure that you have a thick enough band of glue. And y'all can tell that my band is kind of thick, because that's just gonna make more lace adhere to more glue. And you can add 2 or 3 layers, however many you want. And this is me just waiting on the glue to turn clear, because you want to let it turn clear before you apply another layer. And what I like about Ghost Bond is it dries pretty fast. A lot of people say it doesn't, but it definitely dries faster to me than any other glue. But what I was saying was, you can add however many layers. I'll say between 2 and 5. It all depends on how long you want to wear the wig and how long you want it to stay. I did 2 layers, but even with 2 layers, this can last me up to 2 or 3 weeks if I properly take care of it, maybe more. But 4 or 5 layers is basically your scalp. Like, it'll probably last forever, like, who knows. But yeah, I did 2 different layers, or 3. I can't remember if I did 2 or 3, but the more layers, basically the longer it's gonna stay. And yeah, but you don't want to OD. Don't OD with the glue. And you want to make sure you let it dry every time, but don't let it over dry. Like, it's very crucial. You gotta, it's really a learned, like, thing to do, honestly. Like, it's something that you trial and error, honestly. So now I'm about to put the lace into the glue. You want to put the top of your wig into the top of the glue. Oh, I don't know how to explain that. I don't know how to make it make sense. But do not put your wig in the middle of the glue. Put it at the very top of the glue. You can always add extra glue, but if you place that wig too far back inside that glue, just cancel it. Like, hang it up, flat screen, it's over with. Because glue and baby hairs and alcohol and paper towel and all that, it does not mesh well. So that's why you want to get everything right and take your time the first time, so your lace and stuff won't be looking yucky, and that will prevent your lace from getting dirty. Because if you have glue exposed, then that glue gonna catch on to everything, and that's what's gonna make your lace appear dirty and get dirty faster and lift basically. And so this is me trying to fill a side part. Y'all know how I feel about side parts, which I did later on today decide to change it back to a middle part, but I was filling the side part for a little minute. But like I'm looking under the lace, I need to add a little more glue. So this is the fact that I pulled it a little forward above the glue is what helps, because you can add as you go. If you know what I'm saying, place it too far back, it's just gonna be a hot mess, so don't do that. But yeah, I'm just applying a little bit more glue because I saw that it was still hair right there and I didn't want to cut no hair. So I haven't been using blow dryers lately. I just been tying my hair up for 20 minutes and I feel like it stays. The blow dryer can, you know, seal it in, but I definitely think you need to give it time to sit properly before you blow dry it. Like, I will blow dry it after the fact, but for right now, I've just been tying my scarf on there for 20 minutes and it's just been melting it into my skin. So it's been 20 minutes and I'm taking it off and it looks laid and I'm definitely feeling it. I can comb it, I can do it, it's my hair. But I'm just going in with my Got To Be gel, which I also use my baby hairs, and I'm just brushing the hair back, well, combing the hair back, brushing the hair back, whatever. And I'm just doing this so when I cut the lace that no hair will be in my way, and it's just make it more sleek and just easier to deal with. And I wish I had a cute headband, y'all. I wish I had a cute headband to put on top of this, because this hair would look so bomb with a cute rhinestone headband. I just ordered some from Shein though, so they'll be here, because people be taxing for those headbands and they like $6 on Shein. But anyways, this is me cutting the lace off. I always use a straight razor like that you use for your eyebrows, and if you've done everything properly, then it should literally just come off how you want it to, and you won't even need no baby hairs to make it look laid. Like, literally, it should look like a scalp without you even adding baby hairs, literally. So I'm just cutting it off in a straight line. It's gonna make it jagged, so it's not a straight line, but it's gonna make it jagged. So yeah, I'm just cutting, and the scissors help for pieces that you can't get with the straight razor. So that's when I go in with my shears and cut extra pieces. And y'all see how laid that looks. Y'all see, your girl don't need no baby hairs. Your girl don't need no freaking baby hairs. But I'm just parting off my hair and just trying to get a little look or something. I don't know, I was trying to style it and figure out what I wanted. I did not record me doing baby hairs. I got to work on my baby hairs, doing my baby hairs on camera. If y'all want an in-depth tutorials of me doing baby hairs, please let me know. Like, I really have to focus and take my time, because it's so hard doing baby hairs on camera. Literally, like, you really got to be focused. You got to be bomb.com to do that. But I know how to do it sometimes, but it really varies. But yeah, I'm just going in and basically styling the hair right now, just figuring out how I want it, using my hot comb to make sure everything is sleek and smooth. And yeah. So as y'all see, I attempted to do my baby hairs on camera, but it just wasn't turning out all right. But a lot of y'all asked what I use, and I use Got To Be gel, the black bottle, and I use an edge brush and I use a spoolie. And yeah, this is me taking my scarf off, because you always wrap your hair after you do your edges, and boom, bomb diggity. Like, come on, girls. Okay, guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from me. If you guys want an updated plucking and bleaching knots tutorial, please let me know, because I've been getting that a lot. I made one way back when, but I definitely changed my method. So if y'all want a video on that, let me know. And yeah, y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next freaking video.